CBSE, Biology, Class 12, Chapter 5, Principles of Inheritance. Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook. Questions are in yellow color while answers are white. Which chromosomes are exactly same in both male and female human beings? The sex determining mechanism in case of humans is XY type. Out of 23 pairs of chromosomes present, 22 pairs are exactly same in both males and females. These 22 pairs are known as the autosomes. It is unfortunate that in our society women are blamed for giving birth to female child. Justify this. 50% of the total sperm produced carry X chromosome and the rest 50% has Y chromosome besides the autosomes. Females, however, produce only one type of ovum with an X chromosome. There is an equal probability of fertilization of the ovum with the sperm carrying either X or Y chromosome. In case the ovum fertilizes with a sperm carrying X chromosome, the zygote develops into a female XX, and the fertilization of ovum with Y chromosome carrying sperm results into a male offspring XY. Thus, it is evident that it is the genetic makeup of the sperm of father that determines the sex of the child. Thus, blaming the mother is pointless and irrelevant. Male honeybees do not have father and thus cannot have sons, but have a grandfather and can have grandsons. Solve the riddle. The sex determination in honeybee is based on the number of sets of chromosomes an individual receives. An offspring formed from the union of a sperm and an egg develops as a female, may be queen or worker, while an unfertilized egg develops as a male, also called drone, by means of parthenogenesis. This means that the males have half number of chromosomes than that of a female. The females are diploid having 32 chromosomes and males are haploid, having 16 chromosomes. This is called haplodiploid sex determination system and has special characteristic features such as the males produce sperms by mitosis not meiosis, so sperms of males can't produce sons. Males have mother because they are produced by parthenogenesis and they can have grandfather and grandson too. What is called mutation? Mutation is a phenomenon which results in alteration of DNA sequences and consequently results in changes in the genotype and the phenotype or traits of an organism. In addition to recombination, mutation is another phenomenon that leads to variation in DNA. How chromosome abnormality occur? We know, DNA helix runs continuously from one end to the other in each chromatid, in a highly supercoiled form. Therefore loss, deletions, or gain, insertion, duplication, of a segment of DNA, result in alteration in chromosomes. Since genes are known to be located on chromosomes, alteration in chromosomes results in abnormalities or aberrations. In which type of cells chromosomal abnormality is common? Chromosomal aberrations are commonly observed in cancer cells. One of the typical features of cancer cell is the presence of significant rearrangements of the genome. Chromosomal aberrations appear on the somatic level and somehow give a selective advantage for the cancerous tissue to overgrow its surroundings. What is called point mutation? In addition to the deletions, insertion, duplication of DNA segments, mutation also arise due to change in a single base pair of DNA. This is known as point mutation. A classical example of such a mutation is sickle cell anemia. Deletions and insertions of base pairs of DNA causes frame shift mutations. Surprisingly, in this, the change is just a single amino acid in the gene for beta-globin chain of hemoglobin. The sixth amino acid, glutamic acid changed to valine, makes this genetic disorder.
End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email given below. The question answers of this chapter will be continued in the next video of CBSE Biology Class 12.